The setup is pretty simple. You just open the application, enter the username you like, let the server validate. Now here, if you choose one, you will be put in the central waiting list by the server, and that client will have to wait until someone connects with him, her, whatever. People who choose 2 will get the list of all the clients in the waiting list. They enter the client code, technically their socket ID, to whomever they want to connect with, and then send the first message to initiate the conversation. Once connected, the chat between the two clients flows seamlessly. Pretty straightforward, right?